Okay, last week, make sure what you're going 39 law, implementation of 39 law, go with 39 law, back implement a young adi. Manone anga ma ba mush anga ba jako 39 law back implement. Ja mago rundi al ja kwa cha can more yes man, mago cha yes man, and then ja kun go balaja nan ko kore, ba ko palman ba nyen ko go maler ka kamalero. Chimani me chama go kwa chitwok, and then Chana Benka go to Chako, Chaplan, and Paul Manyang as again chief of defense minister, Jakura plan, Janwarna, Janapola Juni Yagarabor, and a Garamo, a Canadian calling Chikon Taneri, a Katikon Nakakon. Example, Mateka Moba, Maneni, take a video, me a put a circle Mediana, take a video, me a corona circle Mediana. I don't know, Michigan and video, Makarajanen. I think share and what in one and video more. Chianen and Larke, Don Nandungo, Karang, Kadolarang, Tijama Kalamokelu, Kanerangamo, Kadola Kolodola Panai, Dolan, Kapanai, Jaladune, Macharema Charge, Darawang, Machaja Wang, Kagada, and your Tunga the other. Video and chair which are going and chair which money and the Karamishaja. Thank you, Ramishaja. Share video share, and I appreciate your work hard on video by Jana. Bashir is showing us on the Nisha Kuala right now. Right in the nega, Chana Chana Kaka Jang, Kuduran Chiban Jang, Kalarja Jang, Kaping when we do not Tarakanor, Kalarja, Kalarja more than Jataran, the Jang. But you now want to be able to get the jam, this is where we have we lost the war. We go in there, we will lose the war. We lost the war. We will done a creo. Down the pain of one taran. One of one taran, the jungle. Balo one taran, Jang. Balo one taran, Chana one taran, Chana jungle, Chana yard in a fight. I would have been the end, Malela Wallame, the date, Benung, Bemial. Laba Gadera Thon, analyst, Bako record, Bako the winner, Mother, the way motor recorder. Joe Bako, we did Bako winner, mother quarter, Kenyan dollar, get a dollar, young man and a Jim Kur, and Kurtet in Kurjawa Anang Bacha, Toteku, Chao Chanang, Jaba, Nangan, secure by the water bunker, a low Kurnan and Guadala, Jandolian, and Kurba by the water. So let me check that one if it's ready. Let me send him the check address. The date one is adding. Kwejat, and then I'm going to get a long machine in. Gadeto and Kwejat, while a P machine in, she took a request and it is adding. Commission Yellow. Gonna call me and then be the show the gentleman on what adding, you're adding and daddy. So again, I'm in Mindela, Janune, Con, one of the computers, Corodan, and a Kurame, a Corona, Banner when we care Corada, Banner when we are called Cor, Banner when we were mean to left, take a young to lead, take a young to go, take a young to get. That's where I get confused. Get young till a normal work. You I want to young. Get a and don't and a chairman don't. Chibare Quar, Malam.
All did get wrong, Teddy,
The poor
Salamat. Salamat, Teddy.
man, you go back in the name in a job.
Eh, Chen, and Yam the Chula Chichen Radiar. May I got to know one 1 year.
Nango G, that by Nango G, daddy.
Eh, ma'am, Guyen, and Chen Yam Dago Chula Chit, but Lana Guinea control. Yeah.
Nango G, take a view of Borbaga.
Okay, thank you. Bible let's that.
While a man, you bull, you bull, you hear a while a man, you hear a go along, and you bull a wallet.
Share a bull. Tell a bully out then. Tell a bully out then, ma.
Maka Guachi, what in a man, and be a lark, we showed one while be you're be a lark and a month.
Bible let.
I can join you. Go, me, go. They congratulate.
Go go ben ki chir ko. Jatak.
Check out. Go. Ben check out. Jen go.
Yeah.
Uh, before kan mo mi ambela to de ben yo lan wale. Bane demanda na Norway. Agar cho la Norway ngi je. Norway to Nebraska. Uh, I think take khutuba de mabelel ka Masr ke jen pai bangwan. So Mogo along can you man dan yam kel malate kon kel ba malala be one of our supporter ka motivation awareness uh nyam chala chudia William Deng so take a wedding I think it's going to take a place but in room near the gen balel ke gen by bangwan so let us wish our brother the gen ka America let him wish him a nice trip to Egypt let wish him a very nice stay in Egypt kabala dong bala la ke ka jalab ne betel mal wala yan so bala kin
Yeah.
bene wa chang nan chang nan chi gumi chi ko tin ko ka cha rom nyer kula bine ko right ne go ko friends la ku ye show ba point and array ka chu dia ram kel member ka our motivation and awareness ne mi jale chu dia is a one of our member ka motivation and awareness ko ne ramala ran ram ko participate ko motivation and awareness ma che te ma gwa ke che te ka mi je ba ne la bane chonga je ke ko chungna ke ka ma gwa ka chungna ka ma be ka chungna ka ma gwa ba ma te mi ke le no ba ke che dor la ka ne al ba right chu dear mabruk alek wa yende roi man le kun be said man le kun timbe saada inshallah ajena ne la yene diale ko la dong la ne chu dear kan roi shiga go ko wona ne bigala ne ti kete ko bigala ji shin so kondial let us congratulate them Jonah Roy, congratulations, Jonah Shudier, a congratulations. So, nganta pa ngana chabila diara Shudier at this time. Ngana chabila diara ko shiro wa. And every good thing chabila diara. Congratulations Shudier. Again, congratulations Yamar. Mana Chia William Deng. Congratulations to all of you. Ngana kwar we have analysts today. But almost 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 45 minutes. No, we don't know what be a good be okay. Don't know. Analyst done wale. Take a one and we didn't much let me take a generator. Chang, imagine mechanic don't get it to Sudan. Again, my top terrorists. Mga door generator. So you got to call door require money generator. Don't care. Can got to door generator. A gin terrorist, no door generator, imagine mechanic, a gin terrorist, and the bank by account as a terrorist, a kuma here. Yendor generator, Dial, Baduri Alaka would generate Biaga door, Cabra is up the mall. Go shower door generator, Chaka Marai Machaka, Messia, Sinki. That mean and run, turning into a politician, a door generator, and a politician. Condor generator, you could have politician. So, again, and it is very funny. And then, Rawan mean the end of we go in let's see a court point there. What kind of court in the Lalke? Then there we nothing along what kind of court in Lalke there we nothing. So we don't know exactly. Bigger day don't the con go through and then we will see from there. Uh,
Yeah.
welcome to motivation and awareness. You know already, Moya Koketam. Katam dun joy lakin ti la nong ne bialing gadet
Da tere garamran.
chawa mo leri gila ter pe mo la generator chawa mo leri generator operator chawa tam rai
Porjo ba nang bulu.
pori bai nang bulu house chawa mo chai leri generator me jalan generator nang bulu house
Ba kuma wana kuma din. Ba ba Let's come to this one. Kenyam bukur ko bella tas lodge. Ba jogomale. When ideal to take motivation awareness. Ba jogomale all your viewers gatong. Being your jogo, thank you for coming. Ka aliak te ko boko jupoin le pol ke kilenchi paraga. So it's great to see you. It has been 6 days. Can't conject. And I want to get business done as usual. Taban, this is the view from the court. Kenyam gatong. Junub Sudan tele constitution. Constitution dan ikana kamrar min nyama de kon challenge constitution ikana kamrar ken nyam min wadi gan mashar kure challenge je mutually temporary constitution kon tele kon permanent constitution. Okay, that is analogy number 1. South Sudan Republic as we speak ni chang yad je pe ma wale ke 2025 meta kon tele kon constitution tene mutually temporary constitution yene articulation ikende reide letken gadichal Indian law. We are not Indians. We are South Sudanese. Okay. Number 3, point and judge. Right, Jazatu. He took a side already. Who can question the caller na Tia Bela nigga? You question about a judge. They are not professional question. Take on the personality question. Personal question. Kajinu Sudan, they yati address, Jinu Sudan tell address. Address Yaruja Latin, tell address, tell telephone. And go by Jogan and address the Aru Ijaunet. Jedwana the already tarjiadame, Tiaga Guama, Kotel address. There's no address in South Sudan. So Honorable Fotkang, it was exactly right over Belaren, my place now a blue house. Go in the well-known place. So where tell me Jektin. Point and Jajandan, Telaganoon, Melet Keneje. Nimra Arba, lawyer in a chicken and no, Mukunala accused. Bigger called without paper. No more a hand professional presentation. So therefore, can quit more me a good lawyer, me a good judge, they get dismissed right away in your case, a mutual falsification. Go chiran accuse the wrong information. Chagar machar can group de chaga accuse the wrong information. So if you are a lawyer, you must represent the law diligently with professionalism and diligently. But tell you, 2 days la bigoted go tell a wargana. Kay yeni chiran accuse the maximum crime over the land. Toto gatang kan dak doran ko they're not just a region of ku kon la ladi yo titine ne ter land dan justice ba ku lo ka kan chi mana kon te wona ne idong ilar no kuma kiere je ka kier point de jen yer kuma de je ka rodam ke tiel ke de kuilat ke de kuinwane ke ignorance all these kind of things chijen madan chi presentation of judge I'm glad ko won tame they can get 100 out of 0 no gweje madan and she professionalism let kana ejen kajar waje kajen ta dag waj yo bi kulo nyogore len go kabo merami generator mi chia askerbo la ri na mai ko waj bo len na generator ta la karab ka ken ye waj kede look at this ko kwal kan yo talking about namaza the point the crime by itself okay nimra khamsa e kene garma shahar ejen ite ka sin te ka dungre ga namo garma shahar point kana wo ko rada na nyina wuni mi me nyina khanasa. Okay, what is the evidence in you the Garmashar? It's a Nasser. Go Baji accuse Chirana. You must be there physically. You must be there in the area. You must be there in the situation. So, number 1. Number 2, what is the conversation telling those people what the fruit and Garmashar? It's a Talemar Chegato. Ma provide the fruit because you can come here can those people who are generating the broadcasting ke networking ke lukulu la ngade mechale can telephone mata take ke what they don't provide it ngai ken akaje malat ken Okay. Na mbero ka chonga to na dong te midi maten.
Ya minande matin baladun ka unene ngen ne metwa show yenwara moya ko ketam ne metwa show ken me dane to unene bi ko nasar beto me shi ko nasar je to me shi chana barar ko nasar ka ngunti to je yen woti kon ti aka juba ti dong te yen kume ka ngune ti to ko nasar sha waka detail ko nasar ka ngunti to je no gora mo go clarification ka ko ne ti ko ngai ne je ngumo to ko nasar me to we chana je follow ko ndial kuida kon wayami kon nuara kuida kon wayami kon nuara not an organization no wala biraga ku organization and biraga kuida as a nuara
That's correct. That's correct.
as a nuara as a white army kon
That's
wa
correct. Bero yo kida. Bero yo kida right ni kidun.
yes kon wayami me tung ne kor le ne ye kor me wo betwo ka ko je design bi ne nyin ke kume sila design me cha ko la araba ko nyin ke jang ka ko je design ka nasar and we ji nasar bi ga nyin ke jang ka ko je design and we big nyin ke kon tiyo ka ti chwale jang ka ko je design and we big nyin ke ta de ji nasar ka je design and we big pan ga nyin ke ta ka je design tile ma sha design why army aram nyure chang na lwa let us come for the why who is the white army and what manyure chang na lwa magte woke ka detke ka kwake take area the mintetin. That's the meaning of the white army. Around here, being a white army, day machangi, watch all the white army ko ramet jelka. That's it. She wouldn't a chef. A kelmet white made and the Katunga about the imbo, ramatil, matil, makuja guy, till a kaki. And day in char, quality day char, day morning shall have day and take a kaki, shall get in char ko monazam. Why army maraminuralwa? Kangwana, the ganke, no dorian. That's the meaning of the white army. The nas biyahmu mantiq bitam, biyahmu abgar bitam, biyahmu khwatum, biyahmu nuswan, biyahmu ajais. This is the white army. Inshallah kan mteje tin katileje min wayama ba benyur alabo gadwar kan wana dwar. So wana meda ne ki dwor ke tuwo ke runa wal bakel. They point there. Labdish why believe wala me e halgala wala me e first ba nyole le run ken mola e first be goro wale en woje ne first halga ma balel ke first thing bale room bata ka second there mola bata ka third no yene kon goro bia bright in ka third ken second ke first wala me e first then wala me tung ne wo why am gen ara me nyu ne chen mo ngwat matele laga ke di katele laga ka tanzima ngwar dor kara wade ka ngi kuyeti ba kuya tanzima da askariya kuya lo nyen bole na kuya lo nyura la ram nyur jenchang ram chen se de ka che nyur chen da min chala muatin ko yang ne ngada panja konde de merkam lada ka company la ram la ba muatin merkam chen ki do to chin ne de ngan muatin merkam ma nyura ngan cha konte de yes bata fa ngan muatin changa de joran mata ga mai maka da yar ko be majo sai do wo do je ngan de do ngan muatin merkam mata bi bang bolu la mata merkam ko point tele kaki mata ga kaki de ngolu has the uniform men chingna uniform men intende mata ga kaki mata point da kataka rule ka regulation nyen army and then ko army take a regulation take a rules
That's correct.
take a conduct which ala conduct tetin ka army nganti la conduct mo de kum ko ngan muatin chabarar meta resh de kum ka ta de ya de imbor nyu la muatin chin tille mugor ja kanyin kume so la kiramite chuong changa ne ngen kume kier mate ka chuong me dan jang mate ka chuong kwala mo ina ka dulumu ayu de ne waya mi da chuong kel ke ne to ko waya mi pe garam chuong ram te chuong ma gang chone
That's correct.
ar ka jangara ji ayu ka na ka je kum kham ni chone ko de nyi ga ayu ko gang na dore mi chi ayu be ne pa je ba ok ba mai o mai ka ok gi wa de mbor ba de yel ke ne ayu ra muno ka nuara mi chi bana ba ok ba mai ken ka ba dit ba mai ken waya mi da yel ka ko jen tanzima ana ne cha ayu tanzima me bu be ok ba mach ka be det ba mach ka ba nyer e ko te ka ki ka wo jana munazam mi chala ayu yes den nyen je kon wayami let me make it clear for you yende kon don ku yene meaning of why dami so mi yiv ka jama ta kel kan ayu ko kel ta kel ku go ne chone la ka ja ayu ka jen ba ku ye chone ka ayu ba yiv kel ka ne to ko yak ka ne this is got tell it for yen jel ka kel a ne ta ne chon ne mo te chone ba chon je kel rabi chon te je chon je kel ne njin kume ne kume de la roka ru bia ka bar kam chone wa ya mi ne bia ne bi nye ye ne chi bi nye ye mi wa kam chon yen mi wa gen de ala ye ka tin de ne ka lar ka nasar ko nasar for 11 years la mi ne yen kume kon wa ya mi kon sharp nuara ka nasar mi ne yen kume for 11 years tile maye 11 years til ka maye karamatil maye benefit de kwele mu ka jena dish ka jena munazam ka te nyuro cha mu ne kala kine mu ne gwa me a chola kalien mu tuka tinja kam ke ka tile me je ka ke for 11 years tile me jeg ne ye ka de kula chola jena mo de kuma mu kula de jana ka kan dial 90% 99% ka jang ka ta studio daro 99% cha ko len biet ba cha ko pal cha wo ma cha la ka ne ka kuma ka nyur mi gad ben dul gora ci gar wo gor ci gal lu njaw barka ga du faken ta ko na ran du video na ketin ka show de tin ko da tin wa gor bi ne proof bi ne kamera proof mo lu ko no yin ji kuma ko wa ya mi shine balak to gar ne ku ni cham ga nyinas bi ko wo bi ko mi ko tu ba kwan cham ken bi ko wo to yo mi bura je bara be nyo ma barka na ken kamai ba ka palwa ba cham ken for 11 years they not on the point yen and they take on the cancer much abu the jinasa don't want to ken den I believe that again billion of dollars go to jin kume for 11 years mulung na kon taye mies ke 11 years
e chi kon e kir midien
la ne ke ye na ke
midien gari kir chi kon ji ayu
aje la de jine ke mies for 11 years so me jine ke mies for 11 years me abu go na ke yudu kon ja chama ken mana to kon mi ka tin mata biya ma da ken ko ma ka tijana ko ken kan ke nyena za ken ko all those things she make a law chako kuma jo kuma ne kuti bananka let me make it short bas bele short lakin ko taka tin wanti di bentin kwala ku ni jana ko balinga nuara min loka waya mi lungu gar ne kuti biananga gar tega paide ne kuti biananga tega paide ne kuti nanga tega paide timo jegne ka nakane ken ka mai ken ne na ka nan kala ne nong ne go tito jidwar ti change go ati baga nu ngai ken bane ko bin ba bin bi ko change ken 11 years chari amrid cha gor ma wargana kana ken juba ka taw wargana cha gor wargana amrid ne cha wa kala ba ma shala ma shara kalel kwa lef kwa bidin wana bier yen ji nasir mare in war kele bier ba ma shala ma shara ka balel ba nong ye ba ayo kana ji ba ka mas ko kana de nyen ba ka mas ba ko nong ye ko gar kun chine wono biya ka nong tere nong ne ye me chine de ro ke la mai ke wa mai mare tu ye chine ko ka ke ko wa mai mare tu ye ka mai ka man so chine ko ka ke mo chine ga ka mo chin cha doi ma je kan cha tu doi ma tu cha doi mai di ni tu cha ko bar ka tu ko mai di kon cha ra bai ka tu cha ka lai no ka ke kon cha wa kamra ni ne ka lai na tine pi kam tine mai ni ne ka lai na me chine ko wo de che poi na chu tu ne ye ko tor gile be wo lu to ne ye ke che wonde ne gal ne ke ne ka mai ni ne ka ne de kontre kan me ki da nyana young ben nyana young ka de team na kien ke team na garu mai na me na bu hallelujah yi se la de to ka mi ya le Nuer youth ma le chi de jogara ne chara bu ne ti ka wai ke ki garu ben ka ne wurin chala chaldi wala ka bas pialem
lambot kana lambot
ka da lambos shiga ben cha ka jo yena wake wa la ra je ka ne ku ne ku ni te woni mi ti wo ti chala ro ku mo to wo ne ku da le ngon kan ga ro we shiga wo ba ka wo wo ye kwa la bude wo ni ke cha no ni sho de baba ne me kwa la bude no ke de ka bo wo cha no ni sho de baba ne ke ndai ana nya na yo kar ka mangu e ka ma cha no ni sho de baba ne ka na de nang ne ke abre ano ni sho de baba ne shi na har yo te ka 1 year cha tu nyo na bono ko tu ta bono ka dio ngwandien je na kwa ko lolo ko tene ke evident me cha ku ge kon wa mi cha gar ne chakula dol ko ne chakula dum fu duela den chakula kam nuora ka ne jang ko ti lo gire de ka jang kan ko lo ba ga da to jang ko nu ba ne nyol ko ma ko nyo bona exactly chona bo ken ko le ka ye nuora kama ne ka ye fok mo da kana wo ka detail ko ta ga detail ta ga wa ga na tien ka detail che bai lo che che go rama wa ko ring je ba ko lo re ne ngende re ko ta ga wa ga ne ka ta ga video ne che de wa ko lo
Ke gar kiro ke gar wo kon ja yo ne war gana gar kiro ta gena. Go
Kan
ahead.
ba we ken go ko
Go
ko
ahead.
I don't know I chon Wyoming kon mo ka no ko ba tek so cha ko ter ala Wyoming cha ko ter ala ba iwo ter ko jala Wyoming ti ta ka na sa ti lo ko wona ne andi cha wo ba ko nung de cha bu de no for ba no ko bu shok kana gole fo ko lo ko rameba a dizam
Mary awon gu yo de ro go Mary awon du chambi.
goy
Okay.
la me cha ko lel e wona ne me ulu jawa ba to ba la pal ba ko next time min tar ko do ko ba mai ko ba mai ko kor sa ba ko no nga golek kan ne ko ni cha la bu shok ba mai ko banang das me ngai me kwa la ngai finally ko cha ngwang ko kor ka ga ke to ku chuno ko kan ba mai ko ba nang tin ko kor ka shine lo no a jen sababe to ko no kor abi kor ba dit ka ba joro lo kun ba kana tile ayu mo te ga tetin tire ma char mi rai kane mi ne jo nyenye na tire ma char mi ne jo yen yara mai tire ma char mi ne jo ne yen ga ga ke nga tire ma char mi ne rai ka ja sa wai da mi chi ne jo yen ji wai ga mi nyenye ke de ne jana an kam jana kan wor ke ala pye ma la ma char la nyi na ne wal ano chi na ku lo nyi ka mai ta di ne chang da na kam nor ka ne jang nyi ne kon ka jang ti ben ka ne ka na ta la nyi na ne wal ano chi ne ku ta mai ano jang chara ku lo mu ka mai je ne chara chole ku me donga na kam da ka jang to ko to jang ko tie ko de ko jelas so mi da yen wora dial wi mon en wo meme e kam da ka jang che kam da ka ku me tele ku me nyi ne nyi ne kon ga jang ma jur ma chara mar ka kur jan ta na ya na ka ne jang cha na no na ka ne di ku me no nyi ne kon ga jang ko ma jur ga ma ne dum jan so jende la yen yen ji wi mon dial cha ko ma jur na ka nang ne je cha wa ran ku me di ku me no nyi ne kon ga jang jen bi ngai yeah, thank you and God bless you. Ngana mati mo gud madir ya marko pedula rin jay wo ko kon la ne na ga wona ne balin kan war ga gidian man nji jube en
Yeah.
ayo kan e wa ami wo ga chonkel ga kwi ko wona ne amoy ka dulumu ko ba ga dependence marko na operation che wona ayo kon gar ma chara mo ko talimat tilla katibe mashala wa ami ka ayo no wala jin ga de bi la clear nga mate katibe yala mate katibe ke mi chwala division mi cha po mi chwala wa ami bi la ne wale ko dong ti ngai moto ke yen ya wo dial gona bi clear wo til la division ka ngai da til division ka ai wo mi chwala wa ami til go division mi chwala wa ami mi di chwala mo division ke je mi ta ka ai wo mi chwala wa ami til ga je ma wo ka
Yes.
nuar
Thank you.
ma wo wa ami ka nuar ka ko re ma chara nuar ka for ka nuar je ni bi akum na ke wo ne chi nuar chi ga ni ke jang kano ga kir ba kir ba ti mo nyinga ga nuara mo ngu cha da kuluri ka ro ade ko ne ka nuara ka jang cha da luri ka ro yen mi cha me la ka nuara ka jang kama ai wo ka ne kume ai wo korean ga ji ai wo je ta tar juba mo je da bulu gar ba cha ma goro biya gar ma cha biya lu ka koro ma ta tar juba mo nyinga ka tar juba ja kwala depend mo da ga yen cha da depend ka ko wa mo ni ko jum ka area na ken ji ai wo ba da ko lu ko wona yen ke gwande lu gar ma cha ken de lu kan ma char ne ku tar ju be cha na yor mai en ndara kwa da ta ko ai wo ni ta ta ka ma biya gara ka de ka ayo de lu ka wana mo ka wona ka rujuman ji kuma so mina de lu na garma char ke duna sa tim na garma chatin duna tim na garma chatin ka nuara magoro bi aye de bayyana ji nasa dial de bayyana ji panga dial de bayyana nuara ke liu de bayyana ga ja ko cha ga bo ma lungu chuk bata ga nasa an panga ta ga nasa mu ta bude tilla mashkela me du nuara kana jan ko ngwas ya bore nuara cha ga bo ma man ken daga bintiyo an mu nan ka tin that mean a kam nuara kana jang ka sha 16 county cha ga listen wo 16 county to ka ga ka gitar adi ka nuara mu da gitar ka jamo ngu so ngan min de lar lugame ka ngaida lokana nuara a jang che luk ma lokana na garma cha ma lokana ayo has an organization de luna ayo has an organization ka kan kuma daga buluk daga banin ji kuma de kwake represent daga lugu la luka ka ayo lakin luga mata da fanyi aduna sar wa mata da kan shi lug na kan ka dire ka ayo lug na kan ka nuara shanga biya lelo ya larje garma charo jela de yelung ni yen ka nuara ka lug ni yen ka ayo de ka tie yelung ni yen ka nuara tin nuara in general ka lug ni yen ka ayo ko mo lung ni yen ka ayo lo ne ma cha mi to tar ju ma cha na wo bo ka woni yen tin yen de kwang na bo yen ka pa ye to ko wo cha ko per yen lo no ngu mi ya ne
Yeah. Well, thank you. Chukon Bugwajalong. I believe Chukon ke mutual interest. Chadi Michel got in Neme war of 2030. I mean of March of the 3rd of 2025. Nasser ke Matapan Gaga. Nothing to do with Dr. Yamashar. Me constitution Junub Sudan la will go up with number 1 point there here according to constitution. Key constitution according to contemporary constitution point there here time to expire. Okay, constitution to expire. Tell amendment. Law do kwana guide again traditional Indian law. Take me like Charles told a status of limitation has expired. Judge point there kuji melade ka judge kwani wudu chola kier. Kati diaz inu kuli mu wa kono gor kono talk den. Chikon de bana wallet at ke take a cord but like I be called de bana kan daro ten dam road depend ke dunde. Go the all these wars is a 2013. It's not it is not the March of 2025. Well,
again
it's not the cause.
mat
Yes, cause of all these wars is not the March of 2025. It's December 15. Again, cause war of the Alten. And who caused the war? Point the Sulfur Kir Mayadi, the one who caused the war. Now, me take the Latka Wale, take a genocide, which is to Junub Sudan. Ninity can't wanga loma joga life. Ke kakan ebita spell MSPLA, ke kakan to Junub Sudan. Dr. Yamashar, he did not burn somebody's life. Okay? Can the Kir Nungto, can just go Kir is the one who making the committee the violation of human rights. Kir point the general you don't Samuel year can agretisa. Cold blooded was not Yamashar. That's a person who's supposed to be in the court. Ko take a genocide me to a region. And who banana and unknown gunmen is not Yamashar, the Sulfur Kir Mayadi. And who bana about people are dying. Ko taban luna about go to Yoda Kapke. A part of the genocide is a Kir Mayadi. Who is the president of the nation is a Kir Mayadi. So Yenji White Army, you guys are entitled to defend your land. Go tell you there. Go kume Kir find it. Check the Michelin one. Chanega check a yo. Walk on many right my kind of tongue. Ka wake give it a dollar. Check the take a one. Tell them about what you think. Take on the Quena can go again. Chang again, I will point the Michi and Lao when they turn Chang yes, stay in the Hako Day and Gag. That's a factual. We'll talk charge a Gag. Hidden. But Garmachar, She can cool jam je because humiliate ko God I accept the peace go in and God you know be ka ba kwakel. She can cool nang allowingness can ask here. She can nang I don't chara gadwal. She go to and they can jinubi me sure and she don at a sibidin somebody. Chiendol and Dan right man get right young and they wang ne je be jaga gather young wang man. All these are hatred with no reason. Chajan. But she called them the fornication. Court kaje. She got to go to the talk then they can bring out again they can in defense. Karane ke lu mu kwaji accused but take weakness. Hell Dr. Machar she in sin. Hell did issue honorable Garway Lampoy there in that scene. Have you seen the Shiba stab of Salam as well Mayo General Doblam? CNN Guamo. Have you seen honorable minister what can in that scene? All these things that no. Have you seen this guy generator answer with me? No. Okay. So can question the answer they get if they are sticks in that court. But a joy that point and again then tell them about the law. Tamuni you be money can I wait and that's it. Representing who? Representing Kirma Yadi. Tell law to represent and I didn't see no quotation from the law. I didn't see nothing. But a gen kalam far let ganam. But anyway, to make this story short, check it out on that. Kay kon la live video ne rundi yalla ba kon jak jero ja dan la de yego ne garma cha log yene ki nok yene jene bella koran o kaj la tuge ko pok la ben yalla ta ma kaj den jen be jen kwanen win mon ke le ko ci ro den wenu ci ro wed way go and broadcasting dan ko mun ko ta tina tare juba it will dig all things ba kaj den ko ngajen nas kiren go ne kuma jino kala criminal to kala shuerto ka kerwai we jekto. So and thank you so much. But time about of go we let Jen Guandong de Martin Namo. But
Yeah,
appreciate your time.
thank you so
So
yeah.
yeah, God bless you and God bless your people.
Yeah, thank you so much. Jen and the lara one and we're going to go. Chega gin gadet wara manga channel se gwa. Kon ne to go la camera an chonde. A chang bina dial ga ka chang ba lo na la camera an chonde ngaume te dwer ngaume te chong. So kon mila ne je one ne en jen mo ba bu kum en pot kan ke du na se go ga na se. Kama ba la garwesh lamposh ba kum e go ga na se. Ka jol ka ladin woke and in nan in to kor ka nasar lungo mi wo ko to ka mi wa bondul wal ka pan ga lungo
Yeah. What are the costs?
ka mi nan wa bon na man kien na tong mi ne ka wa bon na man kien na ka binti wo ngo ka mi wa bon
What about Pangak?
mi wa bon lungo shuk ngo so to dia do gor ke wo ba ke no ka life no ngo ma la bre mi mbo ka ne ke ka ma wa ya mi ka regien weke example kare gia na weke ate kare jana me chuptin me chakula ko wang ke che gia ni che wote gwa me che wang ka che gia na wajube ma de mo na zama jal ka joro la ke tel ke ja trambi me jo ngan joro ka waya me tel ke ja so wa cha ko ram te ni chang te ni chien so kene wo bar ga dal ka ko gia tene ne ndora ko angwa ba ne botin ko dor ko and I wo me chi gwa ka I wo elap ken ka kam yen ka I wo cha kula jiyan kon waya mi cha wata jube da ne ko mo ban tar jube ke dire ke ayu ke lo chi ne mar ka ayu tar jube kon ta ko de dora ne ka na sa ta ko ne ka pan ga ta ko ne ka lugu chuk ta ko ne re bintieu ngum we bo ne min bo ne lungu de yi mo chara thank you ka de ne mi shi de mo chara ka jelas de mo chara ka jamar mi de kula wata ga de so Sudan mi amar ma shi ga tu to dan di almar ka jamar de te no to duel kan tin de yoro la ka dial to duel kel she we serve gwal just from to duel and she we serve from tugduel and in elements depend from tugduel and on a dear neighbor jodi chamar di police kavje from the that room police from tugduel ngen mingor bu clear ke yenora wona ne molo gar machar oh it is cut me ya che cut option ne molo gar machar ke kuike wona ne ga aka dung nasar kai kenen ji kume kai kede ne kier ke dung nasar kana dung panga ke mo ke me shi to pintiu shem de lugar machar so akonwara molo kana ko de ko chi de ko de ko be ye na ko konwara a cha we cha nyin ke jang and then ba lu ke jang
Okay.
ko ka ba ba le chen na gar machar be ko kwen ke be gar machar ba ba le chen na kier be ko kwen ti ko na cha le ka ayu ba dunda me ke jang me la ko ti long ne ya that's it konwara lo ko ne ba ga lar ye yal yen ji we mondial til nuora man yen nuora kon ti aka jube ko long ne ya kon wayami che jo chang ne ayu ma che ne be ya chang ne ayu ma che ne be ya de ne kwa ke je chang ne ayu ma che ne be ya de ne kwa ke je ka chang ne nga ma che ne be ya de ne kwa ke je wai ne karan ko ya ne dasit shine gwash kiran kai kene ko jang ko ya kene kana ta da kai na gwash kene but shine gwash kiran kai wuna ne ga a shawo ku mu tile ku min ne ko yin ne kane ka jang kana ta da kai da yin kane kala yin ne na wan that's it no na ce mu gorgar mu cha ka ce mu gora yiwo mata ga mashakal na ken ti baje ti kana cha ra gar mu cha duna tar wai ke kan dun pan ga wai ke kan dun lungu shu wai ke kan dung man kin we ke ken rein wora wo dung wora wo ke ken ka lo gar ma char ke ni na yu to ko lor ke ne ke ti cha bai le da gar ma char ke agreement dien agreement ne cha ta ni ken mute ya bai le da gar ma char ke agreement aka le al ke ken ma ba je ra ma ka gwe gwe ne je kontanas che ma ne wa gwe ne ra mi chi bai le che la long bala jen kir ko ti ra bre cha ko bo ka chemical ka ko bo ayu ka chemical chen ji le ga je ayu kan ne bo ka chemical so me we abode ngute nyine kai wo bine benyo ye wai ngute ne kurkel kai wo yes ma de collusion ka me jito me chiri lo kana ai wo me cha collusion lele ma de collusion lele mate ara bine lo chang ne chetar che jo ne chetar me bane ne jo yen waya be lo de ne ko je kele chetar so why not ka bane lo mo no me Uganda mo che wo be jo ye kele njang so collusion matene kel kai wo la collusion kai wo chelo no wona ne nyin ko bia ka hukum na gar ma sha no ko nuara bia ko mo ko nuara ma yer bia hukum ka bia jang no ba ko lu ka jang ka ta ba la ra ken mo ke ne wuju mo kan ba bu lu na gabil na aje ne bana gorro mo an le no bagwa che jin kir mi lenga yene kir mi lenga ma ri nuara kir lu no ko ra gabil na ko na lu no wo cha wata gar ba sha bia lu wo nuara ke bia lu wo leader nuara wo ka no kir leader jana bia wani ga no mo leader ji ko jube mane wani ga bata ba bulu ne je akan ji ko jube ko te ga jang ya na wona kan ku jube cha o ga na ku jube na wona cha ma te ji ko jube na te ga la na ku jube ti ya ma mu da ba ji ko jube bi ga ta ga rai ba bi ulo ba ji ko jube e ko tori ada de ulo rai amma ni ji wow wow na nje dung jana wow e dung ji wow bi ji wow bu gor ko waro bi ulo ba so Lucas Sudan me cha la fi yene ko ti akot la fa je che local che luga me cha la fa cha du le cha lo di ngwan ya ga le cha lo di ngwan cha ga le ma yen ka lo na pu ma yen cha la ko de pu ko lu ko wok ti ko ni cha de bo ti cha de ko toria gor ko lu land ko ni cha mai ka ji ko toria gor ko lu wow na ni cha mai ka ji wow gor lu an ma kal na ni ya mai ka ta gor lu so ti ko lo na ngwan to to ai na ka dia be akula benga me na ne ke 213 lung pa ko luk yen lu ya go luk nuara la re lung ne ke nuara ba ri ala ko nuara ba ko ne ko kwan ine ben ke evident na ko ba na bulu ka nuara pala garba char freeman mutile mai kala garma char freeman tile mai kala melas according to my understanding mala ke je ke du nasser tile mana garma char ka du nasser tile mana garma char ka du nasser so jende la ye wana mo yen jang le ngaje go sem bia kuma garma char bia kuma ya kanora ke yen wali ngaje go garma char no aburo kom ga je ken na por kang na kom ne ko ga nuora cha kum ne ke wo ke ji ayu tim chale la ayu ba ga kuma ko ga nuora ne jin ma wu bet jinga nuora mo go titi no ko hukum jana me cha garma char nan ko hukum jange gwa mi atin ba bine goro wo bine kamana bol mel bine nang makame matia kon waya mi tage ko man me wiya ka makale ye makal ngode makal bine ga kamne re makal ga bine nan ka makam ba da hukumre makal ba ro mo ka makam re makal kon waya mi ba ko da ban jara mo ka makam yen jang ka jube ba ro mo ka makam ga makal ba ko len makam du waya mi so je ne be ngara ga de ba bala no wonne ne ngode ka right ne first time wala mo rum ba right ku yo ne ka da ka gar ma char ke ne waya mi ka yala no waya mi du gar ma char tele katibe mishwala waya ami ka ayo tele katibe mishwala waya ami ka ayo makwam ko je ara wo waya ami ka nuara aje ne ba kum ne je ka ba kum won ne waya ami ka nu
Yeah, why that will not belong to you? That's correct.
again waya
That's
ami
correct.
belong to ayo waya ami is a wide army before ayo waya ami was there waya ami is a youth,
Yeah,
is a new youth. It's not something money. It was a new youth. It's not something money. Is there since the creation of the world? Why army was there? Just changing the name.
yeah. Men don't do a lot of Taban, Chedemechala going to court, there's no justice. Kojin of Sudan tele constitution, like I say, tele constitution, Qatar protocol, Qatar seniority, gas, well, Masfele, go to seniority, will melt deben from nowhere to somewhere. So there are no there are no seniority. There's no constitution. Mendana constitution and Chedemechala one chale contemporary constitution. It's not a permanent constitution. Cutting the alter raid, Katishal Indian law. We are not Indians, the concerned Sudanese. Even though when you use the words, my lord, there's no lord there. Lord is the only one above. You use an honor. That's how the word they use for justice, which you work on law school. In Onoko. Number two, we are not the system of the British to use the word my lord. No. We got our independence in 1956 when Sudan was one. So you are not entitled to use that word my lord because you does not even know the system. And then you confuse somebody, then you use that word because you don't know the law. So when you have idiotics group that represent themselves, okay, a group of cooks of lawyers, that's what happened. We get confused. Number two, we fought with Jalaba. We got our independence in 2011. So we are not under Jalaba, and we never be under an Indian. And then in time to use the Indian laws. Come on now. So these are confused system, confused people. They doesn't even know where they're heading. So the law tell that can get tell a ganun Michalel. So South Sudan can free. Kenya free in South Sudan. Kenya free ko raga je kunywane, raga je TL, when go raga je chiang kacha talk yalatin. That's what's going on there.
Yeah,
That,
te garbichi gorke jelo garbe. At least kilma kel.
uh,
You say I have to speak English or speak Arabic that you can come to my platform that you can discuss with me. Mr. Let me see his name. Uh, Mr.
Yan,
Yan.
Yan. Hey, Yan. It's not a Yan.
Language
It's
there
not a
is a
Yan.
language for the English.
No, it's not a Yan. It's not a Yan. No, it's not a Yan who wrote that word. So I'm reading the comment. Don't worry. I'm reading the comment. Yeah, Yan.
Okay, okay.
Santino Deng. Santino Deng.
Yeah, is like
Santino. Chunu
Santino,
Lodge. It's I Lodge. I Lodge.
English is not my it's not my mother tongue.
No,
It's
it's a
not my
big deal.
yeah. Let me just
Ajil
let me give
ajil
him a tips. Yeah, let me give him a
ajil
tip. Yeah,
ajil
wait.
ajil de.
Hey,
Ajil thought.
let me give him a
Ajil
tip. Okay.
No, bukulaban, bukulaban. Na
Okay.
jangaram,
Okay.
ajil Let
Okay.
me have you. Let me have you. I know him.
Yeah.
This guy, my colleague, Santino Deng, nothing secret here. If you want to challenge us, you can come inside. Then can call you. You can come in. So there's no secret here. If you want to join us, hit the bottom and you will come in. And you will tell me if kid is right or is wrong. And you know very well kid is wrong. That's what we are talking about in Tongnas. And you know Tongnas very well, Santino Deng. So don't be sarcastic, okay? Don't be sarcastic, my friend. Nothing secret. Kid is the thief. If you want to hear in English, kid is a thief. Kid is a killer. Kid is an idiot. Kid failed the nation. And all the young council elders, they failed the nation. If that's what you want to hear, that's the truth. And you know very well I'm Gadeton. I don't hide myself. You know who am I. So Santino Deng, that's the reality of it. Kid failed the nation. That's what we are talking about. Second to that, that's a falsification of the courts. There's no constitution in South Sudan. If you believe their constitution, you challenge me here. Deng will call you right here, right now. So thank you, Deng Anukuban.
Yeah. What I want to tell you here, Mr. Santino, I do speak good English and I do speak good. But they're not my language. I just learned them. I just learned them like anybody who learned some different languages. And I speak Dinka maybe more than you. But what I want to tell you here is this: is my language as a new language I love my mother tongues. I love my language. I love my people. I love I love because I born I'm Nuer. I will die as a Nuer. I will never die as a different nation. Even if I die in the United States, I will die as a Nuer. But if I die everywhere, I die as a Nuer. I born Nuer and I will die Nuer. So what I was telling you here, my new language is most important to me. I love my language and I love my people. I'm not here just to speak English because I know English that I can come up or speak Arabic because people understand. People will come and listen to me. I don't want you to listen to me. I didn't call you. I don't even need you to listen to me. I don't even want to see you to listen to me. So what I want to tell you here is my people will watch me, my people will listen to me, my people will support me, my people will give me a thumb, my people will say everything about me, good thing about me, not you. I don't need your support. I don't need your argument even because I cannot argue with somebody who don't even know himself. You don't know identity. My identity is Nuer. I love my identity. I love my language. So I'm not here just because I don't speak English, because I don't speak Arabic, because I don't speak. No, 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 my friends. No, my friend. You just confuse yourself. You just confuse. I can challenge in English, but that's not my language in English. My English is not my mother tongue. I have to preach my language to my people. They can understand exactly where's the problem. Our problem is the Dinka, but I have to tell them in my mother tongue because I love my mother tongues and I love my people and I love my people to death. I love Nuer. I will die Nuer and I love Nuer. So I will never change. Everybody can change his color to be Dinka, but I cannot change. I'm a Nuer and I born Nuer and I will never change. I will be Nuer for life. So that's what I want to tell you. Go with it. Take it with you. Try to deny yourself. You don't want to show that you from Nuer. It's up to you. Self Oladu, Salam Alek, Shalaita Kois, Yakoi, how are you in Chicago? Good to see you in my show. So I love my language and I preach my language. Everybody who don't want to preach his language is up to him. Everybody who don't love his nationality is up to him. I love myself as a Nuer. I love my family. I love my people. I love my nation as a Nuer.